Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Miguel Mendez, marketing specialist here at Unravel Data. And before we get started, there are three housekeeping reminders that I would like to cover. The first is, throughout the webinar, please drop your questions into the question box, and we'll do our best to answer them live or respond via email if we're short on time. If you submit one of the top 10 questions during this event as ranked by one of our fantastic panelists, you'll earn some cool Unravel swag. Additionally, this webinar will be available instantly on demand to listen to at your leisure, so feel free to pause or replay as needed. And lastly, help us improve. Share your feedback on the session by rating this webinar, and let us know if there are any other topics you'd like to hear about. All right, that covers it. So with the reminders out of the way, the floor is all yours.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Clinton Ford, VP of Product Marketing at Unravel, and I'm joined today by Eric Chu, VP of Product at Unravel. Today, we're going to discuss data observability and FinOps for high-volume users of Snowflake, and we'll show you how you can accelerate performance with AI that is purpose-built for Snowflake. All right, so here's a look at our agenda. We'll start by taking a look at some of the top challenges to optimizing performance for data analytics and AI. Next, we will review the options for data observability and FinOps. Then I will share an overview of Unravel. At that point, I will hand it over to Eric Chu to share a demo of Unravel for Snowflake. Next, we will answer some of your questions and then share how you can get started. So Kumar Menon is the Chief Technology Officer for Data Mesh and Decision-Making Technologies at Equifax, a global data analytics and technology company operating in 24 countries globally and serving customers across a variety of different industries. He and his team needed to deliver capabilities to enable real-time decision-making, but they faced a number of challenges. So Equifax is in the real-time business. The organization depends on the ability to bring unique data assets together to enable real-time decision-making. And this requires seamless and rapid processing of large volumes of data. Achieving low latency decisioning for scenarios such as sub-second credit scoring while ensuring accuracy and reliability is a significant technical challenge. Equifax needed to significantly improve the ability to analyze and integrate new data domains across 6 cloud regions. It required them to engineer observability into the ecosystem to understand how the system works. Equifax manages over 10 petabytes of data online to be able to serve their products. Ensuring scalability and performance of their cloud infrastructure is crucial. Optimizing resources to handle peak workloads efficiently without slowing performance or response times. Equifax needs to ensure reliable data operations to support over 12 million online inquiries per day. They have extremely stringent SLAs. Imagine that you are one of their customers and you're with a bank, for example, interacting with that bank online, trying to procure a credit product. And you are querying Equifax in real time and retrieving a credit score and decision, which requires Equifax to reliably deliver responses. So Equifax ingests over 15 billion observations per day from millions of sources globally across various industries. Unifying diverse data sets into a single ecosystem while ensuring performance, reliability, and efficiency poses a substantial challenge. This involves integrating data from many sources, cleansing it, performing entity resolution, and maintaining integrity throughout the process. So data observability and FinOps help optimize productivity and cost efficiency. So it can boost capacity by shifting left with self-service so more engineers can participate effectively, and enables everybody to do more no matter their skill level and deliver more value-added work. In cost efficiency, it gives visibility and control or governance with guardrails, show back, charge back, and budgets, optimize code and workloads to get the lowest possible cost. So are any of these challenges that are of particular interest to you and your team? Have you already started to address some of these challenges? Well, I'm excited to share a new analyst brief written by Nancy Goring, IDC Research Director, Enterprise System Management, Observability, and AI Ops Software. So this brief provides some context for your business leaders. For example, This brief defines the key aspects of data observability and highlights the role of data observability in enabling AI-driven applications and services. So by sharing this brief with your leadership, you can help them understand the three key capabilities of AI-driven data observability and how those capabilities will help you and your team harness data for innovation, and why AI-driven data observability may mark the difference between companies destined to succeed and those that will fall behind. So companies who buy Unravel often start with homegrown tools developed in-house and based on open source software, but these are difficult to use and require a skilled team to maintain. As they experience the need for more regular and consistent reporting, they frequently turn to built-in tooling and instrumentation from the cloud service and cloud data platform providers. But these tools often lack the granularity needed for data platform showback and chargeback. Then, as their cloud data usage rapidly expands, they turn to third-party generalist tools. But these generally lack the full data stack visibility. And as the data platform grows to support data and AI pipelines and applications, they tend to adopt purpose-built data observability tools to enable productivity, performance, and cost efficiency. So an ideal data observability and FinOps solution enables data teams to achieve performance and reliability. Using these capabilities, you can improve performance and reliability to achieve your goals. Unravel is the only AI-powered data observability and FinOps platform that helps you shift left, enabling service, self-service for your entire team, enabling everybody, both experts and non-experts, to be more productive, optimizing the performance of your data and AI pipelines, and gaining visibility into the costs to help ensure efficiency. So on the left, you can see, your cloud data stack may consist of many different platforms and tools. What happens on the right there is Unravel ingests the telemetry and provides these self-service data ops views out of the box so that you can quickly see all of this information in one place. And then the Unravel AI Insights engine is able to help you optimize performance, to improve efficiency, and also integrates into your CI/CD process so you can get code recommendations and reviews in line. And then it sends notifications through Slack, email, Teams, and your GitHub provider. So over the last 5 years, Kumar and the Equifax team have set out on a journey to really revamp their technology ecosystem and move to a cloud-native architecture. So they've re-engineered data observability and FinOps into this ecosystem to understand how the system works and to deliver their real-time and batch products to their customers. And they found it very useful in this entire process to provide self-service to the teams who are innovating. And this helps them understand the performance as well as the cost of their data products. So this overall has accelerated data product innovation and delivery. So Unravel is the most proven data observability and FinOps platform. We're a member of the FinOps Foundation, named Best Data Tool and Platform of 2023 as part of the SIIA Cody Awards, and named to the Big Data 100 list for the 5th consecutive year and among the inaugural group of coolest data observability companies of 2023. We've also been named by Gartner as a sample vendor for both data observability and augmented FinOps. So now it's my pleasure to introduce you to Eric Chu, VP of Product at Unravel, for a demo of Unravel for Snowflake. Thank you, Eric.
Hi. Unravel on Snowflake starts with a homepage that provides a health check about your Snowflake workload over the past 15 days. Starting at the top, the homepage shows the total cost during this period and the projected cost for the whole year, as well as the projected yearly savings based on applying the optimizations we have found about your warehouses and your SQL workload. Below that, we show a summary of the usage in terms of the number of credits, users, warehouses, queries, tables, and total storage. This serves as a baseline when you're comparing the health of this period with another period. It then provides a summary of the warehouse and query insights that will optimize your cost and performance. On the warehouse side, we're mainly looking to downsize or consolidate underutilized warehouses so you can reduce the cost without suffering from performance degradation. Our recommendations tell you exactly which warehouses to change and the sizes you should use. On the query side, we have about 30 SQL insights in different categories, such as join inefficiency, Performance-related insights such as not pruning partitions, slow operator, etc., projection inefficiencies such as select star, and anti-patterns that could lead to poor performance or high cost. For each insight, you can see the estimated savings and drill down to see the details such as which warehouses and queries have this insight, what are the recommended values, and so on. Scrolling down, you see the top K problematic unique queries, the owners, the insights that can improve the cost and performance, and the estimated savings. You can also see our alert recommendations to help put guardrails to prevent bad queries. Over on the cost page, this is where you can see a detailed cost breakdown and trends over time of the Snowflake accounts connected to Unravel. The cost breakdown can be seen across warehouses, users, queries, as well as tags. On each page, you can see the top K entities and correlate the cost spikes with other performance metrics to understand what happened. You can also create your own custom dashboards if needed. On the queries page, you can easily find all the inefficient queries with all sorts of filters, such as users, duration, cost, etc. You can also select any two queries and do side-by-side comparison on the query text, performance metrics, cost, and insights. This is where you will find the different types of query insights that you first saw in the health check page. The data page tracks the number of tables, the sizes of the tables, the number of accesses, and the number of users of these tables, and so on. We correlate table information with users and job info to derive insights such as the hot, warm, and cold tables based on how recent their last access is and how long the tables have been around. The cold tables are candidates for deletion to minimize storage cost. We also provide other data insights such as anomalous size changes. Lastly, we provide both out-of-the-box dashboards and alerts, as well as allow users to create their own custom dashboards and alerting. They can combine these features, such as creating a custom time series chart, apply anomaly detection, and set up an alert that integrates with your existing notification tools, such as ServiceNow and Teams. This is a quick high-level tour of Unravel and Snowflake. Please contact us if you have more questions. Thank you.
Thank you for that demo, Eric. Now let's take a few minutes to answer some of your questions that have come in about Unravel for Snowflake. Okay, here's a question that came in. What Snowflake does to enable data observability? Well, Snowflake provides metrics, logs, traces, and system tables to enable data observability for DevOps teams. And you can find a white paper in their docs titled Powering Observability with Snowflake. Snowflake also recently launched a new cost management interface in Snowsight that provides account level consumption and spend. So Unravel integrates with the Snowflake sources, and our purpose-built AI helps you quickly navigate all of this information in context so that you can provide improved performance and reliability for your pipelines and queries. Okay, here's another question that came in. How can Snowflake customers securely share telemetry with Unravel? Well, Unravel now leverages the Snowflake Secure Data Share or SnowShare option to transfer data over shared connections outside of the virtual private cloud or VPC through private link. So this enables you to share telemetry directly with the Unravel Snowflake account in the same region. All right, that's all the time we have right now for questions. So if we didn't get to your questions, please feel free to reach out to us through our contact page. And if you'd like, we can schedule some time to go deeper into a topic that you'd love to see a demo or show you in more depth. And so thanks again for joining us today. And please feel free to get started today with a free Unravel standard account for Snowflake at unraveldata.com. /create-account. And then just click on the Snowflake option there, and you can request that account and get started immediately for free. All right, thanks again. We really appreciate your time and look forward to you joining our next event. Thank you.